How to cancel subscription in Slack. Need to stop paying for Slack? Here's the quick guide to cancel your subscription and switch back for free. So, only workspace owners or admins can cancel billing. Log into your slack.com account and so click on the admin button at the left side of your screen. Select workspace settings and that will take you here on the admin settings page. So in here, you can go ahead and check your subscription. So head over to billing to check that out. On the billing page, click on the change plan button. You can downgrade to the free plan or cancel billing entirely. Your workspace will stay active, but premium features will be removed. Review the changes like losing unlimited message history and advanced admin tools. Confirm cancellation, and Slack will end your paid plan at the close of the current billing cycle. And that's it. Your subscription is canceled. Your workspace continues on the free plan. That is how to cancel subscription on Slack.